Currently, we have heard a lot of buzz about the cryptocurrency Dogecoin and the shenanigans of its community. Did you know that on 20th April 2020, Dogecoin surged its value to $1, making this day named after itself as Doge Day? The supporters of Dogecoin were trying to amplify the value of it to make it $1. But how is it done in reality? How can we affect the value and availability of cryptocurrency? Well, all this is done by a process called mining, and this is what affected Dogecoin, resulting in the rise of its value. Mining coins of the Dogecoin network is called Dogecoin mining. Hey everyone, I'm Shamli and I welcome you all to this new video of Simply Learn on a very interesting topic of Dogecoin mining. We will cover all the concepts of Dogecoin mining and we will understand how to mine Dogecoin all by yourself. Now, let's move ahead and see what's in this video for you. First, we will have an introduction to what is Dogecoin. Then, we will figure out the net worth of Dogecoin today. We will understand what Dogecoin mining is. Then we will have a comparison of mining process of Dogecoin with a few other cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin. Then we will dive into how to mine Dogecoin. In this segment, first we will see types of Dogecoin mining like pool and solo. Then we will see what exactly you require to start Dogecoin mining, what hardware and software you need for Dogecoin mining, and then we will understand a new concept of Dogecoin mining, which is Dogecoin cloud mining. And in the end, we will analyze whether Dogecoin mining is profitable or not. So let's get started and have a quick look at what is Dogecoin. Dogecoin is a peer-to-peer open source cryptocurrency that works on blockchain technology. Also, it provides its users a completely unknown, decentralized, and secure environment free from any third-party interference to make their transactions. Dogecoin uses cryptography to secure all its transactions. This makes me curious to know what is the net worth and availability of Dogecoin today. According to MarketCap, today the current value of Dogecoin is $0.266247 USD. The circulating supply of this cryptocurrency is 127 billion Dogecoin. So that brings us to what is Dogecoin mining. Dogecoin mining is a process of validating the data blocks of transactions by solving a complex mathematical problem and adding them to the Dogecoin network. Each confirmation of transactions adds a new block to the Dogecoin network. Miners perform this process. Dogecoin miners are a community of people who perform complex mathematical solutions on the transactions for mining Dogecoin. That makes me wonder what the difference between Dogecoin mining and other cryptocurrencies mining process. Let's have a comparison between Dogecoin mining and the Bitcoin mining process. We will be comparing these crypto mining based on these factors. First, algorithm. It is a set of rules that every cryptocurrency follows for mining new coins. In the algorithm, Dogecoin mining uses Scrypt. Bitcoin mining uses SHA-256. Scrypt is considered a lot quicker and cheaper than the SHA-256 algorithm, making mining easier for miners of the Dogecoin network. Second is difficulty. This represents the complexities and challenges faced by miners to mine each block of the blockchain of any cryptocurrency. In difficulty, Dogecoin is 2,798,252. Bitcoin is 3,511,60,552,899. Thus, it proves that Dogecoin is easier to mine among other cryptocurrencies. Third is block time. It is the time taken by a new block of transactions to be checked, confirmed, and added to the blockchain. Block time of Dogecoin is 1 minute. For Bitcoin, it is 10 minutes. And at fourth and fifth, we have reward per block and per block USD. It is the amount in USD to the miner for each block added to the network. Block reward for Dogecoin is 10,000 Dogecoins per block, which in USD is 27.36 Dogecoins. For Bitcoin, it is 12.5 Bitcoin per block, and in USD, it is 86,391.63 Bitcoins. Moving on, finally, we have reached the most crucial point of this video. Now we will have a look at how to mine Dogecoin. Dogecoin can be mined in two ways. The first one, Dogecoin pool mining, and the second is solo mining. A Dogecoin pool is a group of people who share their computing power to mine Dogecoin transaction data and get rewarded by equal share after confirming the transaction. Solo mining is when only one person does all the work of mining and confirming transactions. The reward is awarded only to that person after confirming the transaction. Let's have a thorough discussion of the difference between Dogecoin pool mining and solo mining. In Dogecoin pool mining, you have to mine as a part of it and pay fees. In Dogecoin solo mining, you don't need to pay any fees and you mine all by yourself. Also, in pool mining, you will only get a part of the reward earned by the pool. But in solo mining, the total reward earned will be received by you only. As in pool mining, many people work together, so they mine blocks more often. And on the other side, solo mining could take a lot of time before one mine their first block. In pool mining, it takes less time to confirm a transaction as you work as a part of the pool community. On the other hand, in solo mining, it can take much longer to confirm a transaction as you do all the work and there is a lot of competition. So this was all about Dogecoin pool mining and solo mining. Let's proceed further and see what we need to start mining Dogecoin. But before we start mining, we will have to make sure that we have these things with us. A PC with any operating system like Windows, Linux, Ubuntu, etc. A good internet connection, and a digital wallet to store the Dogecoins you mine. Which hardware and software can we use for Dogecoin mining? You will need your PC's CPU, which should be powerful enough to mine Dogecoin. A GPU or graphics card can also be used for mining Dogecoin. For example, Sapphire Pulse Radeon RX 580, Asus RX Vega 64, and many more. Stripped ASIC miner is programmed to mine Strip-based cryptocurrencies like Dogecoin, like Bitmain Antminer L3, BWL21 Strip Miner, etc. If you are new to Dogecoin mining, then using your PC CPU will be the right choice and CPU Miner is the most appropriate software. If you are thinking of mining using GPU or graphics card, you can have a wide range of software. Some of the best software is CUDA Miner, which works perfectly with NVIDIA products, CG Miner, which works with most GPU hardware, and Easy Miner is considered suitable for beginners. Stripped ASIC miners are considered to be very powerful hardware and multi-miner is excellent with this hardware. Moving ahead, let's understand what Dogecoin cloud mining is. Dogecoin cloud mining is a mechanism to mine Dogecoin using rented data centers without installing any hardware and related softwares. It allows people to take an interest and participate in Dogecoin mining at a very low cost, making Dogecoin mining accessible for a broader range of people worldwide. Since the Dogecoin mining process uses the cloud, it reduces equipment maintenance or direct energy cost. This whole concept of Dogecoin mining brings me in front of one question. Is Dogecoin mining profitable? Dogecoin mining profitability can be analyzed based on power consumptions, hash rate, and cost. The Dogecoin mining calculator is used to make it simple in this calculator. The default value for the latest Dogecoin mining hash rate and latest Dogecoin difficulty target is preloaded for better results. Dogecoin mining's reward is $44,44,412.25 per year, that is 14 million Doge per year. The block time for Dogecoin is 1 minute, which means the supply of Dogecoin will never go down. After deducting mining power costs and mining fees, the final daily Dogecoin mining profit is $22.53 Dogecoin to USD with a profit margin of positive 81.72%. Also, I think Dogecoin mining is fun. So that is all about Dogecoin mining. We have almost reached the end of this video. If I missed anything important, do let me know in the comment section. I hope you enjoyed this video on Dogecoin mining and learned something new from it. If you liked this video, then please do hit the like button. Thanks for watching this video and stay tuned for more updates and videos from Simplilearn.
Hi there, if you like this video, subscribe to the Simplilearn YouTube channel and click here to watch similar videos. To nerd up and get certified, click here.